In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this transparent pattern material. There are two spheres in the scene, and the inner sphere is using an emission shader. In order to use this transparent material in Eevee, we must tweak some settings. Here are the full nodes. Notice there are two color ramps. The nodes containing the second color ramp node below is optional. I was testing the volume scatter with the rest of the nodes, but they're not needed for this project. The nodes after volume scatter are optional, and they will be removed at the end of the video. Let's see what each node does. I'll remove the unused nodes now. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.